In this video, you'll learn how to cancel an order on eBay as a buyer. This tutorial will guide you through the necessary steps to effectively cancel an order and ensure your request is processed smoothly. Begin by logging into your eBay account. Once logged in, locate the navigation menu at the top of the page. Click on the option labeled My eBay. After selecting this option, a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, choose Purchase History. This section contains a record of all your recent purchases. In the Purchase History section, scroll through the list of items you've purchased to find the specific order you wish to cancel. Once you locate the item, look for the button labeled More Actions. Clicking this button will reveal additional options related to your order. Next, select the option that says Cancel this order. After clicking this, a new window will open, prompting you to choose a reason for the cancellation. It's important to select an appropriate reason from the provided list, as this information will be sent to the seller. Once you have made your selection, proceed by clicking the Submit button to send your cancellation request. After submitting your request, you will need to wait for the seller to respond. They may approve or deny your cancellation request. If the seller approves the cancellation, you will receive a confirmation notification. This confirmation indicates that your order has been successfully cancelled, and any payment made will be refunded to your original payment method. If you do not receive a response from the seller within a reasonable time frame, consider checking your email or the notifications in your eBay account for any updates. Keep in mind that the time it takes for the refund to process may vary depending on the seller's policies and your payment method. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.